How artificial intelligence helps us make money. In today's fast-paced world, technology is constantly evolving and changing the way we live and work. One of the most exciting advancements in recent years is the development of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. But how exactly does AI help us make money? First and foremost, AI has revolutionized the way businesses operate. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and make predictions, AI has become an invaluable tool for businesses looking to improve their bottom line. For example, AI-powered algorithms can analyze customer behavior and preferences to help companies tailor their marketing strategies and increase sales. AI can also automate repetitive tasks, freeing up employees to focus on more strategic and creative work. In the financial sector, AI has had a profound impact. AI algorithms can analyze market trends and patterns, helping investors make more informed decisions and maximize their returns. AI-powered trading systems can execute trades at lightning-fast speeds, taking advantage of even the smallest market fluctuations. This has led to the rise of algorithmic trading, where computers make trades based on predefined rules and parameters. AI has also transformed the customer service industry. Chatbots powered by AI can provide instant and personalized support to customers, improving their overall experience. These chatbots can handle a wide range of inquiries, from simple questions to complex issues, reducing the need for human intervention and saving businesses time and money. Furthermore, AI has opened up new opportunities for entrepreneurs and freelancers. With AI-powered tools and platforms, individuals can now automate various aspects of their businesses, such as customer relationship management, inventory management, and even content creation. This allows them to scale their operations and reach a wider audience, ultimately increasing their earning potential. In conclusion, artificial intelligence has become an indispensable tool for making money in today's digital age. From improving business operations to enhancing investment strategies and transforming customer service, AI has revolutionized the way we make money. As technology continues to advance, it's clear that AI will play an even bigger role in shaping our financial future. So embrace the power of AI and unlock new opportunities for success.